Good morning, everyone. It's 8 o'clock. I ordered some stuff from Temu. I think I told you that in my last video, which I messed up the last two videos, something terrible, but that's life and that's a learning thing. So I guess we better get at it. Thank you for being here and keeping me company while I do this. I know I ordered some diamond painting things, not diamond paintings, but some diamond painting things. I'll just put that up there. Oh, and I ordered needle threaders. Oh, I almost didn't see the wires. Yeah, so just some needle threaders. My phone it's in phone jail because I overwent my gigs, so it's in phone jail. But this whole thing cost $35, so yeah, I guess you can't see it, but there's the wires here, the very fine wires you stick through the needles so that you can have bad vision and still sew. And I've got a lot of stuff to sew. Oh, and these are not the right size at all, but these are rings, not finger rings. These are rings. I have a cookbook. It's an old cookbook, and it has that binding that's plastic. So there's a strip of plastic along the side, and then it has these, and it's things that hold the pages in. It's about that thick, so that's not going to work. But these are very nice. They're kind of silicone feeling. I think I can, and they just snap together like that and snap apart like that. They would have been great had they been the right size. I always screw up. I check. I know centimeters, I know millimeters. I somehow always get messed up somehow. And maybe it's not me. Maybe it's them. Who knows? Okay, what else have we got? Oh, okay. This is a diamond painting coaster set. I've done one before. It's, if you look, you'll see it on my thing. I don't know which. Oh, these are the mountain ones. So these ones are on wood, which is, I don't see any. So, but I've got lots of those little plastic things you can stick on them. They seem to have color. As that one has, can you see the color? Oh, sorry. There's some color that has gotten onto it. The rest seem fine. This one seems a bit dirty, but a little bit of sanding and it'll be fine. There's 2, 4, 6, 8 of them. They fit in here. So that's something I'm very excited about doing because I really need coasters. I did do another set, no idea where they are. But my son got me a fantastic coffee table, which I can't show you because it has books all over it because I'm redoing my my journals, and I've decided the only way I'm going to get this weight off me is if I write down everything I eat, because we never remember every single thing we eat. And but I've always had good luck if I just, well, I always seem to do better if I write down everything I eat, because there'll come a time when you might pick up something and you think, oh, I gotta check the calories because I gotta write this down, because to me it's very important to stay in a calorie deficit. It's the only way you can lose weight. If you go over your calories, you're not going to lose weight. Anyway, I'm just blabbing on. I bought some little pocket books so I could keep notes. I bought 2 of them. So they're just about the size of my hand. And we'll have a look at them. I think they're both the same design. but they're supposed to be different designs inside. So these are just cute little things. There's a fox and a fox and a fox and a bird and a bird and a bird. I guess this is an owl and an owl and an owl. So I guess there's 3 of each, and bear. 2 bears, not 3 bears, 2 bears. Okay, so that's that set. And I don't know why I'm putting them back in the bag, but I am. Okay, and then this set should be the same as that set, I think. I see the bird on the front. I'm pretty sure it is the same. So these are just so I can, they fit perfectly in a pocket because, like I said, they're hand size. So bird, 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 fox, fox, bear, 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 and owl, owl. So yeah, 2 of the same sets. There is more diamond painting. Oh, at least one other diamond painting thing in here. But, my goodness. I'm going to try to upload this today. It's very early in the morning, so I should be able to do it. I'm on a different service for my computer. No point. Okay, I don't know what this is. Probably some more rings, because I thought, what if the other ones are the wrong size? Come on. Oh boy. Yes. These ones are metal and they're great for keychains, but they're too small for that book. So I think, hang on just a minute. I just want to check something. I just want to check something. Okay, I got a little ruler here. Okay, the inside dimension is what you buy them by. And this is almost 2.5 centimeters. And just in case they measure the other way, this is exactly, well, almost exactly 1 inch. Is that the thickest part? Yeah, so just under 1 inch, so probably 0.96 of an inch. So, and I always use this ruler. Oh, I don't know if you even saw what I was doing. I was measuring centimeters, and then I flipped it to inches. I hope you can see that, but you probably can't. Anyway, I always use that ruler when I'm ordering something so that I can look at the size of it. And of course, I'm always wrong. So I wonder if I ordered 3 sets. Probably not. But these will be good for keychains. They're nice colors. They're very heavy metal. I don't remember what I paid for it, but like I said, everything that I bought was like $34. Of course, they said that I saved $200 and some odd, but that's them. Oh, there's another little baggie that has been opened and resealed. Oh, there they are. Oh, that in the way? Yes, I did. And these ones are the same freaking size. Oh, excuse my language. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to say that. These are pretty much the same size as the other ones. So that book is going to drive me crazy until I get... Oh, these ones are 1 inch. But I can't use them for a book anyway because they're the wrong type. The other ones, Lord help me, maybe I'll make curtains or something. There's no way that I can use that for any type of paper. Okay, and I guess the other ones were the same. How did I rip this open? Okay, there. That was a waste. Okay, and, oh, I guess all we have left are the diamond paintings, so I'll do this one first. This is a little journal. I'll take it out. It's going to be a rhinestone thingy. So, let's see. Okay, this is a journal, and it's very flexible, and it's just like a sketchbook. Oh, very nice paper, actually. And it's going to be rhinestones. So I guess I will do that pretty darn quick, but I gotta finish that koi fish. Always working on that koi fish. I'm going to bore you to tears with koi fish, and that's it. I'll just throw that over there. Plastic recycling. Okay. Very glossy day today in my camera. Oh, I think I know which ones these are. Okay, these are rhinestones, and that one was rhinestones too. So really, really shiny. And then we always have this. Okay, and these are kitty cats. So and they're the same, they're wood backed. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There's 10 of these ones. I think I'm still going to get, I almost said coconut cork backings. So kitty cats, let's see. Okay, that was one. So they're kind of like kitty cats at night looking up at the planets and the stars. And if I hold them at an angle, you might be able to see them better. So I don't know which ones I want to do first, but I do like these. I like both of them. These were under $10, both of them. And I have seen some sets for like, I think I actually saw a set for around $5 and something, which is pretty good for these. And then they will all fit in that little nest, a little bit higher if I add cork backing. And I'm either going to add cork backing or silicone feet, but I will do something with them. Anyway, so that's not how that goes. Okay, I hope you all have a great day. I'm going to be doing some more of my koi fish, of course, because I got to get that finished before I can start anything else. And these are sort of nice things to do when you don't want to be doing a big picture or something. And yes, they're from Temu, and yeah, they're probably not the best, but who cares, right? It's doing something with my life, and I really do like these notebooks. And they're also blank paper, so you don't have to stay in the lines. Anyway, have a great day. Thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate it, and I'm going to get this uploaded as soon as I can. Bye-bye now.